Well, if it isn't my faithful YouTube audience, as you may have noticed from the title, this is archived footage right here. Originally, I had obtained this footage prior to COVID-19, and I had intended to go back to the skate park to get additional footage to include in the video. Unfortunately, the video has been sitting edited up to its current point for the past 2 months, and I do not know when the skate parks will reopen. Big vote on Instagram. It was at least 9-1 in favor of releasing that shit. So without further ado, I'm about to release that shit. Let's get into this fatty coup beater box. Yo, what's good? It's your boy Sailboat with Sailboat Sneakers here. Today I am chilling at the Ocean Beach Skate Park, Robb Field Skate Park. To many in the greater San Diego area, this skate park is affectionately referred to as Shokus Skatepark. Everybody here, we're always shredding for Shokus. Pretty cool park. We'll get into a review after this beater box right here. So the beater box that I'm about to get into is a $1,275 beater box. With the taxes and the shipping to California, this beater box actually ran me somewhere in the mid 1400s. I'm pretty juiced up. This is one of the few beater boxes gotten on a regular drop this expensive in a while. All of the other more expensive boxes, those boxes are typically custom Soul Supremacy beater box because I have not purchased a beater box in over a month. Go through a spurt where I do not get beater boxes just because either money's running tight or I got enough stuff. Some other stuff in life is going on. At any rate, can't wait to open it up, and then we will get into a nice review of Shokus Skatepark here in Ocean Beach, San Diego. Hoping that the rain will stay away during this unboxing. It's been kind of drizzling on and off all day. We should be okay here though. All right, I'm not seeing any loosies immediately, but there could be some underneath. Here we are. Little tiny pair, some Jordan Space Jams. Now these are the recent release. You can tell that these are the recent release due to the 45 that is stitched on the heel as opposed to the 23. These are in crazy good condition, but they're also very, very little. So I'm sure that they were worn very minimally because kids at this age tend to grow very fast. This is a size boys 4.5 youth. And these are again in just like nearly dead stock condition. These things have no creasing on the uppers, little bit of wear on the outsole there. But overall, these are looking pretty good. Space Jams, nice and icy, looking solid, all about that life. Starting off, really small pair, not really a huge fan of the U sizes, but hey, it is what it is and we're gonna rock with it. Second pair in the box, little bit of a bigger box here. This is a size 12.5, and based off of the tag there, I think we already know what's in this box. Ta-da! We got a pair of heaters right off the top here. These are some Jordan 1 bands in a 12.5, which just so happens to be my size. These are in crazy good condition. Like there's barely any creasing on the toe box right there, if any at all. The bottoms are looking immaculate. There's no star loss on there. The heels are looking crazy good too. These are in like past as dead stock condition, quite honestly. You can see there's a little bit of that kind of shine, the glitter there that occurs on Jordan 1s with storage over time. But other than that, these things are in damn near flawless condition. Both extra pairs of laces here. You got the white and the red. Black ones are on the shoes. Man, I might have just pulled one of the money pairs right off the bat there. It's kind of unfortunate. Normally you want the money pairs towards the end of the box. But hey, I'm not gonna bitch and moan about that. Solid pair right there. Next up here, Ultra Boost, size 12. Now these right here, are a pair of what I would assume are like the core black or something like that. Normally that's the color with Adidas. Definitely not a triple black because the sole is not black, but the uppers are most definitely black. Uppers are in great condition. You can tell a bit of wear on the midsoles there and on the soles. Good pair as far as condition is concerned. Ultra Boost, just not really a crazy market on them anymore. Can't imagine it's gonna be a crazy amount. 3 pairs in, box is looking okay so far. It's looking great because of the bands. I'm a little bit worried that that's gonna be like the money pair of the box and I'm not gonna be getting anything else as we go down here. Next in this box here, we have another size 12. Everything is in my size with this box. What's up with that? Trying to tell me something. Size 12, Jordan 7. And I honestly don't even know the colorway on these right here. They are in crazy good condition. These are from 05. These are 15 years old. And look at the condition on these bad boys. God damn, these are in good condition. I am very, very surprised at how well these have been kept. There's a little bit of yellowing. Some slight scuffing there, but overall these are really, really solid. Incredibly light wear, no paint cracking. I don't think there's any sole separation, but they do have cardboard shoe trees in there. You can see the yellowing on the toe cap there. But otherwise, these are just phenomenal condition for 15 years old. Somebody really took good care of these. Like this is really blowing me away right now. I don't know too much about the retail market on them. I don't know what we're looking at for this box so far, but it's interesting. It's definitely a cool box. Coming up here, we have a red box which says Air Jordan in a lot different writing than what I traditionally expect. Air Jordan 4, single day. Look at this packaging. It's pretty wild. I don't really know what these are. Oh, so I don't know the exact colorway on these. So I'm assuming that these are a Jordan 4 single day. They're lightly worn. Some creasing on the toe box there. These are really interesting. I love the details and how everything is like just very different from your normal Air Jordan branding. I like that they're stepping outside the box a little bit with this one. It's cool to see them doing something a little bit different than they normally do. These are from 2018, so these are only a couple years old. Again, I don't know a ton about these. Size 10.5, OG all from what it looks like. We got 5 pairs down so far, 3 more pairs to go, total of 8 pairs in this box. Let's get into those final couple of pairs here. Next up, Air Max 97, size 10.5. This is missing the box top. Black and gray and red colorway here. Very, very lightly worn. Air Max 97. I don't really know what to say about these. I can't imagine there's anything too special going on with them. Air Max 97s tend to sell halfway decently though, and these ones are in good shape and a good size 10.5. Not too much to say about these though, Air Max 97s. I'm a big fan of the silhouette personally, especially depending on the colorway. Not my favorite colorway, but red, black, gray, can't really go wrong. Very neutral palette for the most part. Ooh, and look at this. There's a little like velvet on the medial aspect where the Nike swoosh is. That's pretty cool right there. I'm a fan of that little detail. We got 2 more pairs here. I only see one that I'm excited about, so let's pull out the not so exciting one first. A size 9.5 Adidas POD S3.1. Does anybody really wear pods? Oh, these aren't pods at all. Replacement box of Yeezy Blue Tints in a size 9. Now these right here are actually by far my favorite Yeezy colorway. This is way too small for me though. There's not a chance that this is gonna fit on my size 12 foot. But overall, they're pretty clean. definitely a little bit more excited with these ones than I was seeing the pod box. So that's one of the nice parts about these beater boxes, is you don't always get what's in the box that you see. It can be a shitty thing, or it can be fucking amazing, just like this one right here. Blue Tint Yeezy 350 V2. Solid pair right there. Missing the OG box, but that's okay. One last pair here. Based off the box, I think that this could also be a little bit of a money shoe. Now these boxes are just so massive. If you know what the box is, then you know that this is a Fear of God. Nike Fear of God 1. Now this box right here is just huge. Size 8.5. I was kind of hoping that these would be my size. You can see the special kind of tinfoil-ish looking wrapping there. And these right here are the black colorway, black and light bone or something like that. They're definitely worn. They're a pretty solid size. I don't know the market for these guys. Replacement laces right there. Another set of replacement laces. So we got 2 sets of replacement laces, plus the laces that are already on there. Plus we got these, I'm assuming, dust bags for them. You can see the Fear of God branding on there. Plus whatever is in this bag right here too. I assume is another bag of laces based off of the feel, but it's not open and I'm gonna leave it closed. Decent condition, definitely need a little bit of a scrub down. Overall, pretty solid shoe though. Not too bad. I've never seen these things in person. I always hate on them based off pictures. I think it's just because there's not enough loopholes for the lacing, so this big weird section here kind of throws me off. The quality of the materials is actually pretty solid. I will say that. The quality on these Fear of Gods, really, really nice. I actually had a pair of the Raids and I also like the quality on those too. 8 pairs of shoes in this $1,400 Soul Supremacy beater box, after taxes and shipping and all that shit. Got a couple of money pairs for sure. A few other solid pairs that I think are gonna sell pretty well. I'm into it. I think that this box is gonna do good. I think we're gonna make a little bit of money on it. I don't know that I'll make a ton of money on this box, but I am confident that at least the shoes are gonna move pretty fast as long as I price them fair. Really good assortment of shoes in this box. It was like very varied. There wasn't just like one banger shoe in there. There was a couple of really good ones that'll sell for a really nice price. But overall, it was a fun box, definitely interesting. Next, we're going to get into the review of Shokus Skatepark. Shokus Skatepark is located in Ocean Beach, San Diego. It is a really awesome park as far as just like the vibe is concerned. I'll be showing you guys around. We'll be taking a little bit of a tour, and hopefully we'll get a couple of people to log us some clips so you guys can see some sweet skating. Hope you guys have enjoyed this beater box. Let me know in the comments what you think of it below. Stay tuned for the review of Shokus Skatepark. It's your boy, Sailboat Sneakers. I'm checking out.